How to buy InvARCH token. Now this token came under the symbol of VARCH. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as code below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So one of these updates, as you can see, this post they reposted from the MEXC listing account. So if you check this post, as you can see, this token, it's as a decentralized public infrastructure, highly optimized for powering the AOs and empowering AI agents worms. It came into MEXC listing. So vote with MX to share massive airdrop. So VARCH and USDT this pair will be able to or available to trade in on the 24th of this month, February, on 14 UTC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in description. We'll be able to find the referral link. Go down in description and you will be able to find the referral link, as you know, and make sure to create an account on it to benefit from rewards and funding some USDT. So what you need to do after that, what you need to do, just log into your account on MEXC. As you can see, I'll just close this. Now go and log into your account. Go back to this post and just copy the token symbol, go back to your account, in search, paste it, and you will be able to find, so as you can see, this post. Now go and read that to be able to know how to buy it. So it's as simple, just wait until that date, as you can see here, and you can now vote in. This is the link for votes, and you can see to benefit from this airdrop. So this is how to buy VARCH token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.